duplicating the slide is a time saver because you don't need to recreate the objects on the slide. You just revise and edit the objects that are already there. So we're going to edit the text of the word art and change the word art to match what we want to say on the new slide. And this new slide is the title is going to read, "How fast is the processor?" So we're going to type "how fast is the processor." We're going to remove the word speed because it's not needed. Now, the two GIFs that you see on these slides are animated, but animated GIFs only play when you're in slideshow, when you're executing the slideshow. So we deleted the object that had the text inside of it. Now notice that this object covered part of our word art, and since we copied this slide, we're going back to the previous slide to make sure the text didn't cover the word art on the previous slide, and it didn't. We're going to move the box down, the placeholder down, to give us more room so we can make our word art bigger. We don't want small word art. We want word art to be as tall as possible. So we moved that object down, which is a table. And our table is going to be 2 columns by 2 columns. We went to the corner and we resized. And now we're going to select the table object and we're going to pick a design for this table. Okay, I'm going to pick this medium style one. Oh no, I changed my mind. I don't want that one. I'm going to go with this grayish one. Okay, so now I want to resize the text inside of this object. So I'm going to change to my Arial font. You don't have to pick Arial font. Now notice I lost my Arial and I lost my 18 because I clicked off of the table object. So you got to make sure you have the entire object selected so the text inside the object will be changed. We're going to change the alignment to the middle, so it's in the middle, up and down. We're going to bold it and make sure that the entire table is selected, so you can do that. Now we're going to go to the line between column 1 and column 2 and make column 1 smaller while we're making column 2 larger. We're going to center the headings in this table. So the headings are right above where they need to be. So we're going to change the bevel. And so bevel tells us make your table look so much better because it makes the text stand out, makes the table stand out. So we're going to resize the table so it goes all the way to the bottom of our slide, which will make our slide look better.